I'm trying to make this good content for you.
Make good content.
My sister's nail broke while opening her birthday present.
Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Monday. So we are on our way to the nail salon to get a fill and to get these. The toes are looking janky, so we got to get the toes done as well. Yeah, hope you guys are having a good Monday so far. I'm having a good Monday, so I can't complain. Hopefully the nail salon is not too busy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tammy.
Hey, how are you?
Later.
Are you here for photography? No, I was gonna put this in my vlog, but I was gonna.
3 hours later.
All right, best friend. Why are you laughing? Okay, so this month is my sister's birthday, so I tell her every day up until her birthday I'm gonna give her a gift. So today's the 4th, so we're behind, but you know, we're gonna make it up. You ready to get your gift?
Yes, yes, please.
So we have 3 gifts. We're gonna give her all 3 gifts because we missed day 1. We missed day 1, day 2, and today's day 4. So you ready for your gifts? Here's your first gift.
You want me to open it fast?
Open it. How you usually open a gift?
I don't know. It's because your camera's really hot.
It's okay. I'll get another battery. This girl is so dramatic.
My nail literally went backwards. You could see that it went backwards.
Are you
Look at the white
okay?
line. I'm trying to make this good content for you.
Make good content.
My sister's nail broke while opening her birthday present. Film from my. Wait a minute. No way.
Boy.
No way.
You should have went to school to be an actress, girl.
Who? Films?
How much are they?
For my camera? Nah. Take it back, Sean. Take it back. Here.
Okay, I'll take it back, girl.
No way. You
did
not.
It set me back. I was like, wait, you sure this is
did
the one you want to put on your list?
I asked for the 50 pack, but you know, 40 pack is good as well.
They didn't have 50. Beggars can't be choosers.
A beggar.
You ready for your second one?
Where's my girlfriend?
Should we call this a 10 days of Christmas? You have to act surprised. It's so hot.
A colorful mini case? No way.
Because you got a camera thingy.
You got a camera?
Is it the same color?
Whoa. Yeah, it is. Is it okay? Is it okay if I get my camera? Made in China?
Yes.
Way. Oh, Cece, the best sister ever.
Here's your last one.
No way. I have to take off the tape.
So extra.
I just don't want to make a mess here.
Well, I don't know what I'm getting you tomorrow, but I ain't gonna be here. It's 10 gifts, kid.
10 gifts?
Yeah.
I would like 21.
21? I'm not your boyfriend.
What?
No.
Okay.
Is this the color that you put on your
Black.
wish list?
Yeah.
You guys come in closer. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Christmas tree. Tomorrow we're just gonna put up the decorations. The decorations that I had in mind for the tree was for a tree that was not like pre-lit because it was like rose gold, red, and I think gold or silver, and then we have like silver what's that thing called, garland or whatever. Now I'm just like, I'm not gonna use the rose gold, I'm just gonna use the red and the gold, and then put the garland, the silver one, all around the tree and call it a day. But yeah, so I'm about to get unready. I'm about to go to sleep because I'm so tired. Because, you know, we have work in the morning. So, oh, went to a dinner party, a birthday dinner. It was really nice and intimate. I didn't want to record too much because, you know, I don't want to do all that. But it was really nice. Vibes were really nice. You know what I'm saying? Like, very, very nice. Very, very nice.
No other words to describe it?
No other words to it was really nice. It was very intimate.
Nice.
The food was good. The vibes were lit. The music was nice. It was just a really great atmosphere overall. So yeah. So I'm grateful that I got the invite. I got my nails done. I feel like the French this time, I feel like it looks a little bit thicker. It's not bad, but I feel like before it was a little bit thinner, but we still doing little French girlies over here. And of course I did my toes as well. Looks much better. So yeah, I'm about to try to clean up a little bit and then go to sleep. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. Don't forget to pray before you lay, because Jesus is the reason for all of the seasons. See y'all next day. Bye.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Tuesday. Your girl is heading to work. You know, I just want to marry rich on those days. Y'all, listen. Of course I'm running late, but I had to stop at Publix to pick up something to eat. I got a banana and I got this fruit bowl that I'll be eating today. You know, I'm trying to get back on it, so I'm gonna just eat fruits. I decided to put some effort into my look this morning. I really was gonna tie my hair up and just leave my little edges out, but I said no, let me just fluff it out because I didn't twist it up last night. I was so tired. I just wanted to sleep as is, which is the perks of having no hair almost. You know, you go to sleep and you wake up, do a little fluff, and then you good to go. I love it. I love it here. Never leaving. I'm gonna try my best to go to the gym tonight. I haven't been since Thursday. I haven't been since Thursday. Today's Tuesday, so I'm trying to go to the gym at least 3 to 4 days a week. You know, trying to be active. I'm trying to be fine before I turn 30, boo. Okay. So I can lose as much as I can and maintain and just, you know, be. I'm so sleepy. The office is gonna be so cold. I brought my heater. I should have brought a blanket at this point, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I don't have anything else to talk about. Just the fact that, you know, regular 9 to 5 chick, trying to be somebody's wife chick, so I could be home and be a housewife chick. You know. see the lines. Alright guys, we made it. About to go in. In the words of my mother, Fedra Blanc. Then go home. But my shirt is showing up my business. We don't have time for that. You gotta pay for this. What's not clicking, Steven? Hope you guys have a good day. Make it a great one in the Lord. Hope you have a great week. Hope everything goes according to the will of God. And even if there's certain things in the midst of it all, give God praise. You know, don't let the enemy win this season. We are at the end of the year. We can't let the enemy win or anything. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Tomorrow.
Hi beautiful people, just checking in. Your girl just took a nice little fresh shower, laid my little baby edges. They're really baby. We pushing out hair at this point. Yeah, it's getting chilly in South Florida, so we're gonna feel a little bit of the winter. Not too much, okay? We don't do too much down here, and I appreciate it. So just wanted to check in. Hope everyone is having a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you guys on a terrific Thursday. Just yeah, nothing happening. We still did not finish decorating the tree. We're working on it. At this point, the pre-lit tree looks nice and simple, to be honest with you. So it might just stay like that. But I'm gonna try my best to decorate it and, you know, of course, show you guys the process. But yeah, just working. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Y'all, it is so cold outside. Probably can't see me, but baby, it is. I don't like this lighting color. It is so cold outside. It's like 60 degrees. My feet cold. I have my heater on because it's so cold. I'm ready to go. As you all know, it is my sister's birthday, so we're doing 10 days of giving gifts, right? Her big gift is gonna be delayed, but in the meantime, don't laugh. I got her no other than, oh crap, I got you the wrong thing. I got the Watch Me Whip body cream.
Don't want it.
I got the.
Do not want it.
Wait, did I get the wrong thing? Oh no, this is for me. I got the Softer Than No Other body butter. Amazing. Karen, you want the body cream?
Do I?
I can't believe I got this by accident. Well, I guess you can't take it with you. Alright, well, let's pack.
Thank you.